When it comes to storage and organization, if you're anything like me, you probably have a love-hate relationship with it. Whether it's the annual spring cleaning we all dread or the weekly quick pickups around the house and garage, there never seems to be a reliable long-term solution to this problem we all face. That's where the Ryobi LINK modular storage system comes in. This innovative storage solution provides the ultimate versatility, portability, and accessibility for your garage, shed, workshop, workspace, and even on the go. I'm Shannon, and in this video, we'll talk all about the comprehensive Ryobi LINK storage system, all the ways to customize your space, and the wide variety of wall rails, hooks, cabinets, toolboxes, and so much more to help you organize, access, and transport your life. Welcome to Ryobi Tools 101. Be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be the first to hear about new tool announcements, step-by-step tutorials, DIY projects, and so much more. So right off the bat, the easiest way to describe the Ryobi LINK system is a comprehensive storage solution with fully integrated wall and mobile components that goes far beyond just power tools and outdoor equipment. There are three key pieces that make up the system, starting with the design. You'll find this common locking interface on the wall rails, toolboxes, and every other piece of the system, making it incredibly simple to adjust and customize your space. That brings us to the second and most important piece of the system with the complete wall-to-mobile integration. This allows you to build out your home base in your garage or workshop. Easily pack your tools or other items you'll need for the day in your mobile stack, take it on the go, and when you get back, simply return it back on the wall where it'll be ready and waiting for the next day. We all know how easy it is for a space to get recluttered only days after organizing. That's why this comprehensive approach not only helps you get organized, but more importantly, stay organized when there's a place for everything and everything is in its place. And lastly, when you invest in the LINK system, know that you're not only benefiting from the ease of use and wall-to-mobile compatibility, but you're getting the pro features you need at the value that allows you to own your space, no matter your budget. Now let's take a closer look at all the options, starting with the wall storage. The main component to the stationary storage is going to be the wall rails. These rails serve as the base of your wall storage and are designed for easy installation and customization with expandability in mind. With kit options ranging from 2 pieces up to 20, including a variety of hooks and bins, which we'll talk more about in a minute, you're able to completely customize your space, no matter the size. Now, when it comes to installation, the 33-inch wall rails allow for continuous stud engagement with every mounting point. The automatic fitment eliminates the need for constant measuring and leveling, making it incredibly simple once you get started. Think of it like assembling a puzzle, where each piece seamlessly fits into another, saving you time and headache throughout the installation process. There is no one-size-fits-all when it comes to setting up your space, so the most important step at this point is to make a plan. An easy way to do that is with the custom storage builder on ryobitools.com. This interactive builder tool allows you to explore all the options within the system before making your decision, including the option to use augmented reality to view your customizations in your own space. Once you decide which pieces to get started with, add them to your cart and you're ready to go. For a full step-by-step tutorial on installing your wall rails, click the video above. But for now, let's move on to the next step, which is choosing your hooks, holders, cabinets, shelves, and other pieces that allow you to truly customize your space. Beginning with the hooks and holders, you got several different options depending on whether you're storing hand tools, power tools, batteries, lawn and garden equipment, or even larger items like lawn chairs and bicycles. Each heavy-duty hook is constructed with dip-coated touch points for slip resistance and tool protection with a bracket that secures perfectly to the rails, giving you the option to fasten them down for added reinforcement. For larger storage, you've got cabinet options with lockable and open designs, all featuring 2 ways to hang, either on wall studs or wall rails. The 4 tool slots give you easy access, and the adjustable shelves allow for maximum customization. Shelving is another popular storage solution with a variety of options that differ in build, function, and versatility. This category includes everything from durable steel shelving for power tools and hand tools, to cleaning shelves, wire racks, and even shelving brackets for storing large material, like lumber. When it comes to specialized items, the small parts organizer and bins are perfect for screws, nails, accessories, and other small items to keep easily accessible. The bins are also compatible with the mobile toolboxes, which is exactly what we'll get into next. Now, the mobile storage piece of the Link system is what's going to give you the freedom to easily transport your tools and other gear anywhere the day takes you. Thinking back to that wall-to-mobile integration, this allows you to grab items off the wall like the bins we just talked about, quickly organize your mobile stack for the day, and get right to work. When it comes to building out your mobile storage, that begins with the toolboxes, which are all equipped with that same common locking interface on your wall rails, giving you that compatibility to interchange each part of your stack to best fit your needs. If you're in a workshop or automotive garage, the drawers and rolling base are another great option that allow you to effortlessly maneuver around your workspace with easy access to all the tools and accessories you need. Each drawer includes a stowaway steel locking bar for a secure locking point and maximum security. Again, being fully customizable, you're free to mix and match toolboxes and drawers in whatever combination works best for your needs. You've even got access to additional accessories like dividers, bins, and foam inserts to fully optimize the way you work. Adding to that mobile stack, you've also got several soft storage options for even more portability. Plus, the various small parts organizers for screws, nails, accessories, hand tools, and other items make it easy to keep everything in its place. The last piece to round out this Link system are the compatible tools and accessories. This compatibility allows you to integrate certain USB lithium 18-volt 1+ tools and more into your mobile or stationary setup. Everything from lighting and wet-dry vacuums to stereos, coolers, accessory bits, and even the SpeedBench mobile workstation are just a few examples of the ways you can incorporate your everyday tools into the system. So we've now taken a look at the wall storage, mobile storage, and a few of the compatible tools and accessories of this system. But this is only still the beginning. At the end of the day, what the Ryobi LINK modular storage system provides is a comprehensive solution that goes way beyond your standard storage and organization, allowing you to transform any garage, shed, workshop, workstation, and everything in between. From the customization and wall-to-mobile integration to the ease of use, versatility, and portability of Ryobi LINK, this system provides everything you need to organize, access, and transport your life. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to stay up to date on all our new content, including our Tools 101 series, DIY How-To series, and so much more.